Hi friends, welcome to Tech Community. Add most commonly using options to Quick Access Toolbar. Some Excel options we are using frequently. For example, auto fit row height, auto fit column width, filter, sort and merging are some of the icons which I use frequently. So I added these things to Quick Access Toolbar. For adding in Quick Access Toolbar, right-click of the icon which we add to Quick Access Toolbar, then select Add to Quick Access Toolbar. Please share your ideas, suggestions about these tips in the comment box. Please support our community to improve our skills in Excel. Thank you.